We don't get through storms alone. Everybody has to eat. Everybody got babies to feed, elders to care for, neighbors just trying to make it through the night. When the world freezes, compassion is supposed to move. Take what you need, not everything you can grab, because one day you might be the one staring at bare shelves. One day you might need the last loaf of bread someone else chooses to leave behind. A real brotherhood, a real sisterhood isn't bloodline, it's lifeline. Hold the door, lend the gloves, leave something on the shelf. In a snowstorm, helping isn't optional. It's what keeps the human in humanity. Thank you all. Love you. Stay blessed.